I have so much insights in this moment. I want to say so much, and the knowledge is coming in. I want to share so much, but I need to do it step by step, because if I'm rattle all out, then you wouldn't understand. I'm just out of beautiful meditation, and I opened my eyes and I was looking to the clouds here. It was a very special day today. It was sun, and there was a little bit drops from rain. Not much, a little bit. I like that. It's so special if that happens. The sun, and it's warm, and it rains the same. I love it. It's beautiful. That feeling, that's nice. And now the clouds, if you are looking, it's always changing. If you are seeing, you are looking, and it's just changing in all the moments. I turn the camera. So this was my view. Look at this one. I like that. Everything is so beautiful. Look up there. And for me now, what I want to share so much, but I just need to stay neutral for the moment, because inside I feel so blessed. So I want to let my higher self speaking with a lot of love from out of the heart. For now, I'm so grateful and so blessed that my channel is going so good. And there was a beautiful comment from somebody. If I look what the name is, I can say the name, but I do not remember for now. But in this morning, John, my lovely soul with me, was coming to me and said that someone has reacted on a video of Luyong that I was doing in my challenge, and that was giving me such a nice feeling deep inside, because that's why I do it for, just to plan some things and do some things and share my knowledge and experience that I have, because we are all going through a lot of processes. And from this moment until now, if I'm thinking about it and feel what feeling that's giving me, wow, that's so much love. I have so much love for that. So thank you so much for watching and following me, and yeah, that gives me so much motivation. Even if it is one beautiful human being, that's okay. I do it for, I will get it back. The universe wants me to do some things here in the world, and now if I'm looking back in the processes that I was going through, sometimes you don't know why you do that in that moment, but I'm like that. I just do that because I know it is a reason why you do some things, and others may think of, what is she doing, for what, it's not logical, why are you doing this? It's the same about my eat style, my lifestyle that is changed so much. The things the insights that I get from the universe, I just grab it and then we will see. And now if I'm looking back in some processes that I was going through, there are so much things coming out now that I was going through then. Do not ask why, but just did it. And now there are things, it's like a puzzle again. Now I know why I did these things, and there was something that wants to that I didn't accept then, but I do accept now, because body, mind and spirit wants to work with each other, and there are some conditions that don't serve me anymore. So for the moment there is something beautiful happening with me. I'm transforming, and I will tell more about that, because I let the research coming to me about some things that I am going through now. But it's so nice if you are looking back in your life and you were doing things then. In some moments you will see it and feel it, that you know why you did that then, that it helps you now. But you have to be ready to see that. You can just ask things, ask for insights. There are a few steps that you, if you are ready, that you need to take, because there are some conditions in our mind that the mind is thinking that we need some conditions. But if you are not believing in that anymore, then it will change. So now there are things changing for me, because it is all coming loose of it. So I have the knowledge now, and I have such a nice feeling that it goes above everything. And just because I experience by myself and letting my mind know that it's really not what the mind is thinking. So now it's so beautiful what I'm going through. It's not always that easy, but this is what I want to share with all of you, because you all have some processes where you are going through. And it's just so nice if you just let it be and just let it come to you, and just ask. It really, you can create so much things. It's so special. It's so easy. Once you get that, it's so easy. I do not know what I can say more. I have so much, how you say that, I have more than blessings, more than gratitude. It's higher than that. If you're seeing things different than others are seeing, that's wonderful. But believe in yourself, and just let everything that is coming into you, that's okay. Just let it happen, because the processes are the processes. And if you're going into it, against it, then you will not help yourself. And like yesterday we were at the sea, and the sound of the waves were so magical again. We were a lot at the sea in Portugal, and now it was a bit ago, and I had so much gratefulness for the waves because they are making so nice sound. It was for me, it's meditating. I close my eyes and I hear these sounds that gives me so much rest and inner peace. Yeah. And like I said before, believe in yourself, be yourself. let it all happen. Let everything always just be fine, be okay. That we are all here for a reason, and my body is telling me a lot of things, because sometimes the mind is not into that, because the belief is not there yet. But in some way, somehow, if you let it go and you just ask for questions, ask for insights, then you are going so easy into that. Just breathe, just use the tools, use the knowledge that you have, and help each other with that. We are here to help each other, and I feel that there is so much coming in for the moment for me. I have patience, and I believe, and I have trust, and that's why I feel so lucky. I feel so blessed. Even in moments that are not always that easy, just trick your mind, because it's not true. It's just an illusion. Just go to your inner and create your own life, your own story. Yeah. I want to say more, but I always let my higher self and my heart speaking, so sometimes I'm just getting it in, and sometimes it's quiet, because there is nothing to say in the now, in this moment. And sometimes there is something coming in, I speak it out, and I'm like, what am I saying? And it's just speaking from out of the universe. So that's so nice. But I will say more about what I'm going through, and what I believe that's for me, because there is a feeling for me now that is really resonating with me. So I'm doing my research now, and let the research coming to me, I let it go, and we'll see what happens with that. But for now, I feel that that's something for me to help a lot of people with this. Now I'm making you curious. So for now, I enjoy the sky, because I heard some ruffle on that side, and that's so beautiful to see. Let me turn the camera again. I really love this, so I can show it to you. I love this. There are a lot of people that don't love this, but I love this so much. In Portugal, it was not the same. Here in Belgium, it's different. I will say thank you for listening. Help each other with beautiful words, resonate in high, positive, good, honest vibration. That's why I'm at that frequency for the moment, because I know that I am doing the thing that I need to do, and even with the habits, it's going very, very well. Luyong is doing me so good. After these 40 days, I'm still doing it. So for me, that's amazing. There are some things coming up, and you are accepting that. And sometimes you don't know where it's coming from, but you just breathe in, do do the movements and let it all go. But now energetically I feel so connected. So connected. Do the same, and please ask me some questions if you want to know more. I'm open for that. I'm learning in every moment. You learn something. It's like the clouds, they are changing in every moment, so we are changing every moment, but we can help each other in this changing moment. Yeah, a lot of blessings and love. Enjoy.